So let's talk for just a minute or two about our material management system. This is actually our version 2 already of this system. Basically, this acts as a stand to the printer as well as a humidity controlled storage system with both VOC and HEPA filtration. The desiccant sits right on this tray here. And what you're looking at, basically, this also operates as storage for your other spools of material. But we basically have 6 spool holders, all individual scales, so that we can record the original weight of each material, and then as it starts to get lighter as the material is used, we track that, and you actually have real-time review of material management. We do have a spool of material on one of the holders right now. We have 3 active ready to go at any given time, and then 3 more that can be quickly changed out as you unload your filament and then purge and then bring in your new material. So with the integrated display, you have the ability to control the MMS directly from the front of the machine. You can look at system. This is how you're setting the different channels, which are the different spool holders, how you calibrate, and then basically just resume. These represent the 6 different spool holders and how much material, and these are not programmed yet because this is a brand new MMS. You've got your active heating going on inside up to 40 C. You've got your relative humidity, which will get lower as we keep the door closed, and then you have the ability to select grams or meters, whichever you want to show on the screen. This was software that we developed for the material management system.